Smartphones are everywhere. We use them for everything: communication, work, entertainment, and even shopping. They have become an integral part of our daily lives, connecting us to a vast digital world at our fingertips. Remember the days of landline phones? Now it's almost unusual not to have a smartphone. This rapid rise of mobile technology has brought undeniable convenience. However, it has also introduced a new challenge: mobile addiction. The ease of access and constant connectivity of smartphones can make them incredibly engaging, sometimes to a fault. We find ourselves checking notifications, scrolling through social media, or playing games even when we don't intend to. This constant engagement can quickly turn into an unhealthy dependence, leading to negative consequences in various aspects of our lives.
Mobile addiction is characterized by excessive and compulsive use of smartphones, to the point where it interferes with daily life. It's not just about spending a lot of time on your phone. It's about the inability to control your usage despite negative consequences. This can manifest in different ways, from feeling anxious when away from your phone, to neglecting responsibilities or relationships.
Recent studies show that mobile addiction is on the rise, especially among young adults. One study found that over 30% of teenagers meet the criteria for smartphone addiction. This is a concerning trend, as excessive phone use can have serious implications for mental health, physical well-being, and social interactions.
Identifying the signs of mobile addiction is crucial for taking control of your digital habits. Do you find yourself constantly checking your phone, even when there are no notifications? Do you feel anxious or restless when you can't access your phone? These could be early indicators of an unhealthy dependence.
Other signs include neglecting responsibilities, withdrawing from social interactions, and experiencing physical symptoms like eye strain, headaches, or sleep disturbances. It's important to remember that mobile addiction is not a sign of weakness. It's a behavioral pattern that can be addressed with awareness and conscious effort.
Section 4. The ripple effect: impacts on health and relationships. Mobile addiction can have far-reaching consequences, affecting both our physical and mental well-being. Studies have linked excessive phone use to sleep deprivation, eye strain, and even neck and back pain.
Mentally, it can contribute to increased stress, anxiety, and depression. The constant stream of notifications and the pressure to stay connected can be overwhelming, leading to feelings of restlessness and discontent.
Moreover, mobile addiction can strain relationships and social connections. Have you ever been out with someone who's glued to their phone, ignoring the conversation? This lack of presence and engagement can damage relationships and create feelings of loneliness and isolation, both for the individual and those around them. Section 5. Breaking free strategies for reclaiming your life. Breaking free from mobile addiction requires a conscious effort and a willingness to change your digital habits.
Start by setting realistic goals for reducing your phone usage. Try designating specific times for checking your phone and stick to them. Disable unnecessary notifications. Those constant pings and buzzes can be major distractions.
Engage in activities that don't involve your phone. Read a book, go for a walk, spend time with loved ones. Remember those hobbies and passions you used to enjoy? Rediscovering them can be incredibly fulfilling and help shift your focus away from your device. Section 6. A future of balanced technology on your terms. Technology should enhance our lives, not control them. It's about finding a balance, enjoying the benefits of mobile technology while maintaining control over our digital habits. Remember, you have the power to choose how you interact with your phone. By setting boundaries, being mindful of our usage, and seeking support when needed, we can break free from the grip of mobile addiction and reclaim our time, our health, and our relationships. Imagine a world where technology serves us, not the other way around. That's a future worth striving for.